Auto Update. Today, we're diving into the Yamaha XT 1300Z, a beast built for adventure and long-distance touring. Introduction to the Yamaha XT 1300Z. The Yamaha XT 1300Z is a powerful adventure motorcycle designed to tackle the toughest terrains while maintaining comfort on long journeys. With a robust chassis, advanced suspension, and a high-performance engine, this machine is ideal for riders seeking both thrill and reliability. Yamaha has engineered this bike to be a true go-anywhere companion, whether you're cruising on highways or conquering off-road trails. Engine and performance. At the heart of the XT 1300Z lies a 1300cc inline-4 engine, delivering smooth yet commanding power. This engine is known for its linear torque delivery, making it perfect for both relaxed touring and high-speed adventure riding. The fuel injection system ensures efficient fuel consumption, while the shaft drive provides low maintenance and hassle-free power transmission. Whether you're climbing mountain passes or covering long distances, this engine offers excellent responsiveness and durability. Advanced suspension and handling. One of the standout features of the XT 1300Z is its electronically adjustable suspension. Riders can fine-tune the suspension settings to adapt to different terrains, ensuring a comfortable and controlled ride. The long-travel suspension absorbs shocks effectively, making off-road excursions smoother. Combined with a strong frame and ergonomic design, this bike provides remarkable stability and confidence-inspiring handling, even on challenging routes. Technology and rider aids. Yamaha has equipped the XT 1300Z with a range of advanced electronic aids to enhance safety and convenience. Features like traction control, cruise control, and multiple riding modes allow riders to adjust the bike's performance according to road conditions. A fully digital instrument cluster provides clear information, while LED lighting ensures visibility in all environments. These modern touches make it a perfect companion for both adventure seekers and long-distance riders. Comfort and touring capability. Comfort is a key aspect of the XT 1300Z. The adjustable windscreen, spacious seat, and well-positioned handlebars offer an ergonomic riding posture, reducing fatigue on long rides. Ample luggage options and a large fuel tank mean you can travel long distances without frequent stops. Whether solo or with a passenger, this bike is designed to provide a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. Conclusion. The Yamaha XT 1300Z is a premium adventure motorcycle that combines power, technology, and comfort. With its high-performance engine, electronic suspension, and rider-friendly features, it's an ideal choice for those who crave adventure without compromising on reliability. Yamaha has crafted a machine that thrives on long journeys and rough terrains, making it a top contender in the adventure touring category. That's all for today's review on Orion Auto Update. If you enjoyed this breakdown, stay tuned for more in-depth motorcycle insights. Ride safe and explore more.